Hello guys, good morning to all of you. We are going to learn about AI right now. In this video, we are going to see what is it in past and what is it going to be in future and what it is right now. We are going to learn what we can do with it in our day-to-day life and if it is profitable for us or we can be facing consequences after creating this AI. Will it be a disaster or kind thing for us? So moving on to the next slide, this is my copyright page guys, just ignore it. And in today's episode, or we can say tonight's episode, we are going to see what is AI actually, what it is cutting through a sci-fi movie or a real definition, how AI works, data training and predictions, etc. etc. No math degree is needed, guys. You don't have to be a PhD guy to understand this. We are going to see in a simple and easy language like English. AI versus ML. ML is a machine learning, AI is a artificial intelligence, and deep learning is in between something like that. We can say ML, AI, and deep learning. These three are just like three fingers. They are very much similar, but something is different in between them. Untangling three terms people use interchangeably wrongly. Everyone thinks they are exactly same and they do everything same, but there is a difference in between all three of these: AI, ML, and deep learning. What we can do with it right now, we can use it as a tool, we can use to understand cases, we can use to do some cases, etc. etc. We are going to be learning about a very brief history of this and types of AI, which is narrow, general, and super. We can be learning like key AI terms like tokens, parameters, prompts, etc. etc. We can be seeing the some myths and reality. What are the myths and what are the realities of AI? Moving on to the next slide. So, what is AI? AI, the textbook definition is very different from the real and honest definition. A artificial intelligence is a software that performs tasks which normally require human thinking, recognizing patterns, making predictions, and generating languages or images. But this is very much different from our honest definition, which is a really good definition and kind of satisfying to ourselves. The honest definition is a really good guesser. It just guesses, guys. We are going to learn this about in some few of my another slides. A really good guesser. It reads an enormous pile of text and images, and it's very good at predicting what comes next. It can literally predict what will be the next thing you are going to ask AI. Like you can see an AI Akinator named, which guesses a celebrity or anyone you can think about. It guesses your guess and it gives you an accurate and correct answer after you answer their few questions. AI is not what it looks like, a robot plotting to take your job, probably. No, it's not going to take your job. It's just giving you another chance to do another job, not your daily life terms, another than that, a new job. Conscious, curious, or capable of wanting anything. It does not want your job or anything like world or anything. What are the controversial theories everyone is saying about, talking about? But that's not true, guys. The AI is just a guess. Magic, it's math and a lot of electricity. Magic, it's not a magic, guys. AI is not a magic. It's just calculations, types of patterns in which it follows and answers your questions. Going on to the next slide, in which we are going to see the history and right now present. The term AI is coined. A summer workshop at Dartmouth Everyone's very optimistic. In 1956 it was literally the starting of AI. Deep Blue beats a chess champion. Deep Blue is the first AI which we have created. Not an AI actually. It was just like a chatbot, or you can say that kind of thing. It just predicts next your moves, and what are going to be the other next moves. Maybe near 100 moves which are going to be coming. Humanity's ego takes a small hit where we got hit by the AI. Deep learning takes off. Deep learning was going on the high in 2012. Neural networks start recognizing cats in YouTube videos. The neural network was started in 2012 to take a high where everything was detected by an AI or a single patterned chatbot, you can say. In 2022, the chatbots was going on mainstream. The chatbots were going on to the height. Everyone was about to learn it. Everyone was wanting to learn that in easy way. So use it in a day-to-day task. And today, 2026, where you are watching this video about AI, and you all want to learn AI right now. So moving on to the next slide, how AI actually works. How does it works, guys? It just needs your data in which it can just understand you, not about himself. It does not want anything else other than your data to understand you. It does not want your sympathy, job, life, world, nothing else. It just needs your data to understand, just like a kid who wants to learn everything and later on help you. Millions of books, images, and web pages are its data. Your photos, your day-to-day Instagram posts, your Facebook posts, everything is a data for the AI. You can train a model. You can say AI is a model. Any other AI like Akinator and other AI which are just a model, it gets correct. It just repeats billions of times. It's basically flashcards for machines. It's just a flashcards we were using way before. Right now learns patterns. It builds statistically relationships between words, pixels, and ideas, not facts, guys. It just really strong hunches. Predict the output. Given your prompt, it predicts the most likely next word one token at a time incredibly fast. About the token, we are going to learn in next slides, which will be here, guys. Three types of AI. Narrow AI exists today. Right now, we are using a narrow AI in which great at one thing: chess, spam filters, translating French or any other language, more than 100 plus languages. Just ask it to do anything else, it just stares blankly. It cannot do that thing. It just stares at you. If you say them to make a video of how, it cannot. It just can't, because it's not trained for that. It does not know what is a video and how can I be a very humanized video maker. General AI or AGI, you can say, still theoretical, but we are working on it. And some AI have really good at it done, in which we can just make very much literal and genuine AI video, which we cannot figure out is it an AI video or a real human video. Human level intelligence across any task, the subject of 1,000 hot takes and zero working products. Right now we have few many working products like ChatGPT 4 and Perplexity, also Cloud AI. Everything is becoming general AGI, human level intelligence. It can be developed in few of maybe 2 to 3 4 years. And super AI, it's still science fiction. It can be smarter than all humanity combined currently lives. exclusive in movies and anxious LinkedIn posts, which are right now going on, and where we can find the super AI, but not in real life, guys. So we are moving on to the next slide, and now we are going to see what is AI, machine learning, and deep learning. AI versus ML versus deep learning. AI, the broadcast category, any system that mimics intelligent behavior. AI is just a mimicking character which can mimic anything which is intelligent, and it can mimic that. Machine learning, a subset of AI that learns patterns from data instead of following fixed rules. It just not learns every data, it just reads it, understands it, and do whatever you can ask them to do from that task or data. And deep learning, a subset of machine learning using layered neural networks, what powers today's chatbots. And deep learning is like uh, going on neural links. We can see it in next slide, where we can see there are so many hidden layers in between our input layer and output layer. There are very much biggest neural network we are going through in that, and right now in our mind we are going to that neural network communications. While I am talking, I am using my neural networks to work on that, and right now we are going to make that AI also. That is basically a deep learning. What it means, it's very much complicated, even I am unable to explain it to you in depth, and it is so much complicated that it cannot be explained in an easier way. I am explaining it to you guys. So please like and subscribe for me, guys. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Key AI terms decoded: token, prompt, inference, parameter, training data, hallucinations. Token is just a chunk of text which we can see right now uh, in this slide. How AI reads text. These are the tokens. Learning AI is fun! Exclamation mark. This is our text which we have given it to the AI, and it breaks it down into the small chunks like learning, and then AI, and is everything is broken into small chunks, and that is called a token, right? And that is a token which AI reads. And then parameters, an internal knob the model tunes during training. Modern models have billions of it. Parameters are way more than we can think about. Training data, a massive data sheet, and model learns patterns from before you ever use it. That is our data, guys. Prompt, the instructions or questions we are giving to the model, or we can say AI. Inference, the moment the trained model actually generates a response, the thinking step, that is called inference. Hallucination, when the model confidently states something like the Indian Prime Minister is Rahul Gandhi, but it is confident, so we are going to actually believe on it. But if we know the answer already, we are not going to believe on it. So don't rely on the AI, guys. It is confident, but it is not correct all the time. So moving on to the next slide, what can we do with AI today? We can write or edit anything, literally anything, guys. We can write an email, essay, code component, comments, and even the PPT we can generate with this. Like a same PPT I am going on. Analyze data, spots trends in spreadsheets faster than a caffeinated intern. We can analyze data, we can find something, we can find a pattern in it, everything it can do with the data. Generate images, we can generate way more attractive, way more interesting images which are not even real life based data and images. We can generate those images too. We can generate sci-fi movie images too, guys. Translate and transcript in real time. more than 100 plus languages it has learned right now. Write code, we can literally write millions of code with the AI right now, because it has that capability to write a code which you can use for your applications, for your website or any other places. We can make an automated task scheduling, or we can give them a task to reply to my WhatsApp messages right at 10 o'clock or any other time. It can be scheduled, guys. That's AI can be used in day-to-day tasks. AI tools you might already use, you are right now using, guys. AI, in which for writing research, brainstorming and answering questions, chat assistants. We are using WhatsApp, and where we are using AI too, guys, in our search bar and in our writing text and in our chat bots also, guys. Image generators, we are currently have made Ghibli art trend, guys, and in which we have generated millions and trillions of Ghibli arts. We are where we have used AI. Code assistants, we have so many guys have made millions of codes with the AI and corrected their few codes in which they were facing hours of spending, but they have made the decisions with AI to write the code with AI, and it has saved their so much time. And voice assistants, understanding spoken request and responding naturally, like language understanding also it can be said that way. And this was the token, guys. And myths and reality to our end. Myths, AI understand what it's saying. That's a myth, guys. AI does not understand what it's saying, so we cannot question them back on their questions. We have to ask them again and again and in depth, explaining them everything just like a kid. it its patterns matching at superhuman scale, impressive but not comprehension. It cannot understand. That's an thing, guys. Myth, AI is about to become conscious. AI is about to take our jobs. AI is about to rule on human selves. That's just a myth, guys. No credible evidences have been found, and some are on Instagram or YouTube videos, but those are not credible evidences. Those are just made with just some data and some half cut videos and edited videos. Those are that. AI is always right. That's always a wrong answer. AI is confident but not right. You just have to double check all the times you have asked the AI if you are using that answer for a very much important places. And moving on to quick recap, guys. AI is a pattern matching at scale, not magic and not consciousness. AI learns by training on huge data sheets that predicts one token at a time, like I have said it to you. Today's AI is narrow, but it is going to learn so much more in future. Great at specific tasks, not everything at once. It already writes codes, designs, translates, and analyzes for us daily. Always fact check important claims. Confident doesn't mean correct, guys. And this is a wrap up session right now. This is a wrap up PPT slide. But this is not the end, guys. We are going to be in next few episodes, like second episode, third episode, about what we can more use with AI. What was its actual real past, not future. What is it going to be in our future? In depth, we are going to understanding that. Talking about the evidences and everything we have got till now, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like to my video and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, guys.